This is a tutorial video for the Gaslight Theater X32 audio console. First and foremost, you're going to want to turn on everything. There is this relay switch above this QSC power amp. It's kind of hard to see, sorry. It's the only power button you need to worry about up here. Once that is powered on, it will go into a sequence of powering on of thingies. There is also three power buttons on the stage rack behind the stage. You actually need to turn those on afterwards to do it in proper order, but I went ahead and did it wrong this time just so I didn't have to run down there during this video. So it's already on, but turn that on next. All right, so this is the X32 console. So you'll notice we have a little screen. It is not touch screen. You have to use these little rotary knobs, and the knobs are also buttons to select. So you push them in to select. There's a lot that can go on and do with this. I am happy to set up your shows for you, label all of your channels for you if you need headset mics or if you need to use overhead mics and manipulate all of that. Let me know. Call me, 580-484-0726. Quick overview though, just in case. Scenes are what we call each show. So there's this little area here. I can click the view button. It will change what's shown here. It defaults to snippets, but you can use this left and right arrow key to go over to your actual scenes. So you'll notice there's White Christmas and a bunch of other little things here. We made an Octa one. I'm using this encoder to select down, go to the scenes. I'm going to just select Octa real quick. So on 7, and I push that in. Are you sure you want to load? Confirm by pushing the right arrow key. Yes. If you didn't see that, it actually manipulated everything to where it's supposed to be now for that scene. I'm gonna show you one more time. I'm gonna go up here and select like White Christmas real quick, confirm, and there you go. There's White Christmas selected now. So let's pretend, I'm gonna go back to Octa here real quick. Let's pretend that you have done a bunch of things that you want to do. You know, put up different faders. Again, there's a lot to be learned on this soundboard. Happy to go through it with you if you need me to, but this is just kind of recalling a scene and basics. Let's say everything is how I want it now, and that's where I want my scene to start. Again, if you're not in the view scenes button, you can click the view, bring it over here, make sure you're on actual scenes. And let's just say we want to save it on this blank one, number 8. I'm going to hit save. You see it says save there. Push it, give it a name, use the little arrow, little character things. I'm just gonna call it A for now since that makes it easier. And then I'm going to hit save. Notice there's a thing that says save, the button there. Ta-da. So now that is A, or whatever we wanna do. So scenes are saving everything on the board. That's like my starting point. Now, snippets can be saved within a scene. So if we wanted to, we could actually make some adjustments here and go and save a snippet. And we're going to backspace this out and we're going to call it AB, just for fun. Hit save. Yes. Okay. So there's a snippet of AB, and then, oh, now we want to go to our next one. So we can scroll down on that snippet thing, hit go. Load, confirm, yes, okay. So snippets are things for like scene changes, mute groups. If you wanted to do that, you could do it that way. Again, there's a lot that you can do with these boards, but that's just changing snippets back and forth. Scenes control everything. Snippets just control really just levels or whatever you want it to based upon your selections for that snippet, and make it to where it only controls certain channels, certain auxes, matrices. You can make it to where it doesn't do certain effects, everything like that. So it really just controls levels, mute groups, stuff like that for your selected channels. So I know this is a lot, but if you need any help, please watch the tutorial video on how to get help from me and use the computer to let me remote in. Thanks a lot. Also, shutting down, always best practice to save your scenes. So again, go over to his scenes, And let's just say we've done everything we wanted to for our little A one. Make sure we hit save on A. Yes, are you sure you want to overwrite? Confirm, done, we're saved. Now we're safe to actually power down. The proper way to power down is go into the setup button and then use the little system control knob and go to shut down. You can now safely switch off your console. That's what it says. It's hard to see on there, I'm sorry. So now, go back over here, turn off the button, and it will shut it all down. All right, again, call me if you need any help, 580-484-0726. Thanks, bye.